Hey, welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida.
Exactly, Shores of Panama.
And we're actually in Unit 713 right now. Thank you, Marina Gregorian, for allowing us to do a video of your listing as a buyer's agent preview. I'm going to show you the view. Alice, tell us a little bit.
He can't wait to show the
Oh,
view.
I know.
It's phenomenal.
This is phenomenal. Here, I'll show you the living room first. And Alice, you want to tell us a bit about this place?
So this is a 1-bedroom with a golf view and bunk area, 2 bathrooms. And the view from the 7th floor is just nice because if you're standing inside a unit, you can also see the beach out there. And enjoy the sun, enjoy the sea. It's really nice today, it's really pretty. The master bedroom has a king-size bed and it's still pretty spacious.
And a view to the Gulf from the bed, that's awesome.
Yes.
Around the corner here's your bathroom.
This is really a great floor plan for Shores.
And now getting into some of just the details of the unit. If you guys want to check the cards area up above for other videos on Shores of Panama that we've done in the past, look at the cards area to see some of that. I love this detail that they put in around the center island here.
And you also have LVP here in the main areas, the living room and the master, and LVP here on the bunk area, and of course tile in both full bathrooms.
There's a lot of people wanting to show this unit right now, and we had to wait our turn, so we're gonna make this a quick sign off and say goodbye to you guys. But if you want to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and if you want to buy this unit, give Alice a call. If you guys have one to list, you can call me. All right, you guys, we'll talk to you on the next one.
Thanks so much.
Bye for now.